Ready to discover the vacation of your dreams? Today, we're diving into the best luxury resorts in the Dominican Republic with water parks included. Think massive slides, themed pools, and fun for the whole family. This is the video you need to watch before planning your next adventure. And guess what? I've got a surprise bonus for you at the end. If you love travel and adventure, make sure to subscribe right now and hit the notification bell. Here, you'll find the best destinations, tips, and secrets to make every trip unforgettable. Let's get started. 5. Dreams Onyx. Let's kick off with Dreams Onyx, located on the stunning shores of Uvero Alto. This resort perfectly blends luxury with endless fun. Imagine 6 pools, including one exclusively for preferred club members. But the real highlight is its jungle water park. Designed for adventurous kids aged 9 and up, the slides here promise thrills for every level of daring. The lazy river is an absolute standout, wide, powerful, and perfect for floating your worries away under the sun. With 3 intense slides for adrenaline lovers and 1 gentler option for everyone else, this place ensures unforgettable family moments. Get ready to soak up the fun. 4. Hilton La Romana. Coming in at number 4 is Hilton La Romana, nestled in the picturesque town of Bayahíbe. This resort is a paradise for families who want to combine natural beauty with top-notch entertainment. The Sugar Splash Water Park is a favorite, featuring thrilling slides and an interactive splash pad for the little ones. What makes this place special? There's something for everyone. While the kids are busy splashing around, adults can relax in the luxurious all-inclusive amenities. Plus, it's surrounded by one of the clearest beaches in the Dominican Republic, perfect for those Insta-worthy vacation shots. 3. Dreams Macao Beach, Punta Cana. In third place, we have Dreams Macao Beach, a resort that redefines water park fun in Punta Cana. This is one of the newest and most modern resorts in the area, boasting 7 incredible slides. From a 4-lane Aqua racer, perfect for friendly competition, to enclosed slides full of surprises, every attraction here screams excitement. Younger kids will love the mini water park made just for them, while teens have their own exclusive club packed with activities. The best part? This resort strikes the perfect balance between adrenaline-filled attractions and relaxing spaces for adults. Fun for everyone is guaranteed. Royalton Splash Punta Cana. Next up is Royalton Splash Punta Cana, home to one of the largest water parks in the Caribbean. This place is pure excitement from the moment you step in. Signature attractions like the Kamikaze slide with its almost vertical drop and the iconic black hole, which loops you around before plunging you into the water, are perfect for adrenaline junkies. Don't forget the wave pool, ideal for surfing without leaving the resort, and those giant tipping buckets that will drench anyone in their path. Every corner here is designed to surprise and thrill. It's the ultimate destination to unleash your inner child, no matter your age. Wait a second. Before we unveil the most epic resort on this list, make sure you've subscribed if you haven't already. Here, we bring you the best destinations and tips to plan your dream vacations. Click that red button and hit the bell. Now, let's head to number 1. 1. Aqua at Nickelodeon Hotels and Resorts, Punta Cana. Finally, at number 1 is the unforgettable Aqua. This water park is a celebration of fun and nostalgia brought to life by your favorite Nickelodeon characters. SpongeBob, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and Dora the Explorer are all here, ready to make your vacation unforgettable. This park is designed for all ages, offering extreme slides for thrill seekers and interactive zones for little adventurers. And don't miss out on the iconic Slime Time Live experience. It's pure Nickelodeon magic. Add in a world-class kids club, interconnected pools, and tasty snacks at its fast food stands, and you've got a destination that blends adventure with family fun. This is a must-visit for everyone. And there you have it, the best luxury resorts in the Dominican Republic with water parks that promise unforgettable experiences. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear which destination you'll visit first. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with that friend who desperately needs a vacation. And don't forget to subscribe for more incredible content like this. I'll see you in our next video, where we'll explore more amazing corners of the world. Until next time, happy travels.